Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to insert Roman numerals endnote in Word document. For this you need to click this reference and then click on this small arrow, and here you will see that footnote and endnote. You need to click on this endnote and click on this arrow to select at the end of document. And now head to the format, and here is the numeral. You can see that these are the numeral numbers. You need to select it, and then at the start where you want to start it. For example, if you want to start it from 2, you need to select 2, and if you want to start it from 3, you can select it from 3. So I'll be selecting first, and in the numbering section you need to select continues and apply changes to this section or the whole document. I'll be selecting this whole document, and then you need to click on this insert, and your cursor will automatically move to the end of the document, and here you need to put down the endnotes. And now type the author first name and last name. For example, John Smith, comma, and open the bracket and type the year of publication 2026, close the bracket, dot, and the article of the book or the specific article or a study document. For example, avian migration in urban landscapes, dot, and the publication source. For example, Journal of Ornithology, dot, and now select all it and go to the home and make it italicized. So this way you can easily insert Roman numerals and notes in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.